All right, folks, we have here a Pride ZT10. We're going to show you how to open the box, how to get all the parts out of here without damaging anything. Again, this is the Pride ZT10 four-wheel scooter. When you get your scooter, it'll be usually in two boxes. Your scooter's in one box, and your seat will be in another box. So the first thing you would do is take off the pallet, take off the seat right here, put it over there. And all you need to open this box is really a box cutter knife, and you'll need an Allen wrench set to tighten up the arms. So I'm going to put the Allen wrench set here. So with my box cutter knife, just be careful, they're pretty sharp. You can cut the tie downs out. All right, once you've got these cut out, just cut the outside right here on both ends, like this, and then cut the plastic in the middle, and then you can open the box, and as you can see inside the box, when you open the box, put your garbage on the right side. So when you open the box, take this cover, you can see there's nothing here, take that out. Take this one out and put them over here on the ground. Put your garbage on the right side and put your stuff on the left side that you need. So in here you see we have the owner's manual with the two keys. Very important, your keys are inside the owner's manual. You have your charger here. I'm going to take the charger out. I'm going to put this over here so we can find our parts. Now we're going to take this cover out, this foam. Now, let's look inside the box again. Now we've got the tiller. You notice how this is locked. You can't lift it. But if you pull the plastic out, all right, so right under the tiller right here, there's a handle. It's right here. You have to pull the handle. I'll show you where the handle is right now. You can see the handle right here. So when I pull it up, I can go down, I can go up. So that's going to be the trickiest part. So when it's down over here, when it's down like this, do not try to force it up. It won't come up. Get your hand under here. Get your hand under here. Pull it forward like I'm doing and pull it out over here. When you've got that done, then you can take this foam that's sitting on there out of the way. The next thing you'll take out is your basket. So again, parts on this side so we don't lose any parts. Garbage on this side. Now, what do we have left in here? We have a piece of cardboard. Now if you look inside here again, you can see we have the scooter in there. So this is too heavy to lift. So the best thing to do is to take your box cutter knife, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the outside. So this is definitely going to be a two-man job here because the scooter right now probably weighs at least 200 pounds without the seat on there. The weight is in the back. So to get the foam out from the front, you would grab the front end right here, okay? You'll grab the front end, get the foam out of the way, and now with two people, we might be able to roll it out in neutral. Is this in neutral? Let's see if we can just push it over. There we go. Thank you, Tim. So now you've got the scooter off the pallet. So now I took the pallet away and I took the garbage away. We have the scooter just the way it is when it came out of the bottom. The first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my owner's manual here, pull the keys out. So at this point we want to know if there's power in the scooter. So take your keys out of your owner's manual bag out, and the keys go right here on this side. I'm going to pull the tab so you can see. This little tab covers where the key goes in here. Turn the key on. As you can see, we have the key turned on and there's no power. So that means your batteries are disconnected. So what you will do, you will go to your cover, you'll pull the cover off. I'm going to put the cover on the ground here. You can see the two batteries right here. Okay, you can see the two cables right here. So you don't want to force them. There's two connections here. So you're going to put white to white, black to black, but you don't want to force them. You want to put it in there. You do not want to force them. Now they're connected. Okay? And after they're connected, you'll hear the scooter beep. Okay? Turn the power off. Turn the power back on. And the reason it's beeping, it's because I have it in neutral. So if I put it back, because earlier when we push it off the pallet, we had it in neutral. So now I'm going to reset the computer again. Now you'll see all the lights come on. There'll be no more beeping. Okay? You can see the batteries are full. All right? Now, let me say something to you guys. If you put the cover back on, sometimes we've had them where if one of the batteries get disconnected, remember there was two plugs. If one of those two batteries get disconnected, the scooter will not work and you'll have a 7 beeping code. It'll beep 7 times. So if your scooter is beeping 7 times, this model right here, all you have to do is open your cover, especially if we shipped it to you, check the connection. One of them could be disconnected in shipping. That'll give you a 7 beeping code. So I'm going to put one back in here. So right now we're connected and we're going to put the cover back on. Okay? So now we're ready to go. We have forward and reverse. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this plastic cover off the pole. And now we're going to bring the seat over here. We're going to take our box cutter again. Going to do both ends in the middle. We're going to pull our seat out. And we'll take the plastic off the seat. All right. So now we have the seat right here. This is very easy. Okay. Put it right on the male piece right on here. It's already locked. Okay. In the box, we also have another box right here in the box. These are probably going to be your arms. Again, these are your arms. There's one, well, it's half an arm. Here's the other arm. And the last part you have in here is your elbows for your arms. So we're going to open this up. You're going to have 2 elbows. Take the plastic out. Take the plastic out. So what you'll do with these 2 elbows, it doesn't really matter what side you put them on. You're going to slide them in here. Okay? Now, here's the tricky part. I'm going to move the scooter forward a little bit so we can see what we're doing. All right, so now you've got one elbow in. I'm going to put this arm here. You notice right here, under here, there's a pin. I'm going to pull that pin out, and the elbow's still not going in. So I'm going to unscrew this little tightener right here until the elbow starts going in. There we go. All right, I'm going to put the arm on here. Okay. Now, if you want the arms real close to the seat, you'll put the pin in there. There's a hole right there. And then if you notice how the arm still moves, you're going to tighten it up so there's no movement in the arm. And the next thing you're going to do is you want to adjust the height of the arm. So probably I'm gonna just go assume, and right here, there's an Allen wrench, an Allen screw. You're gonna turn that until your arm, now we have no more play and the arm flips up, okay? We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swivel the seat so you can see a little bit better. We're gonna pull the pin out. We're gonna unscrew the knob. We're gonna go all the way in as far as we can go. I like my arms real close to my seat. As long as they still flip up, you're good. Now we're gonna tighten up the knob, and that takes the play. And we're gonna try to bring the arm up the same height as the other side. All right, and I'm gonna swivel the seat back. Now the seat sits on a seat post. If you want the seat higher, that seat post right here that we put the seat on can be elevated, and there's another pin you can put in there to make it higher. So if you wanted the seat a little bit higher, you would have to raise the seat post before you put the seat on, okay? So you would do that with the cover off on where the battery is, where the cover's off. You would raise the pole, put the cover back on, put the seat on. So, folks, next thing you do, you'll put your basket on here. It snaps right on. You've got your charger here, your owner's manual. So this is a demonstration how to take the ZT10 Pride ZT10 scooter out of the box. Hopefully this was going to help you. This is a pretty heavy scooter, but it's a really, really nice scooter.
Hi, I'm Mark. And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.